found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love. Everything in one person. And that person is you. Hey guys! Welcome to your own channel, Kids Education and Fun. So, today I am telling you few lines on Teachers Day. So, let's start the video. Wait. Before I start the video, I want to tell you that if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for new videos notification. So let's start the video. We celebrate Teachers Day to show our gratitude and respect for our teachers. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September every year. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was not only our former president but also a great teacher and a philosopher. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They play a big role in building a character of student. Teachers Day is celebrated in all the schools and colleges with great energy. Students organize many programs like dancing, singing and plays for their teachers. Students give greetings and gifts to express their love and respects to their teachers. Teachers are like our parents, friends and guide. We should always obey them and respect them. On this day, I want to thank all my teachers for guiding me. At last, I want to say that whenever you find something extraordinary, you will find the fingerprints of a great teacher. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all of my friends. Bye bye. Take care.